This is the first impression review video of this FIFINE microphone that you see right here. What you hear right now is from the microphone. During this video, I will include text on the screen to let you know whether I have edited any part of the audio in case that the volume is too low or in case I need to do any noise background removal. This is the A6V model. Right now, the AC is running and my boyfriend is gaming next door. And I'm testing with this microphone. I'm not going to talk for a few seconds to see if it captures the AC sound and my boyfriend's gaming sound. Okay, now I'm going to start talking and test the audio quality while under this situation. First, I'm going to test the gain on the microphone. I'm going to turn it all the way down and start counting from 1. When I turn it all the way down, you probably won't hear me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is the max. And the way how I count was based on that little line that you see right here. Right now it's set to maximum gain. I'm going to raise this a bit so you can actually see it. The closer you get to the mic, the louder it's going to pick up along with the gain. The manual recommends about 7 inches away from the mic. So about like somewhere right here. I'm going to go ahead and set it down. The setup of the microphone is really user-friendly. First, you have this part, the tripod, that you can use to put the mic on. And then it has a shock mount with a pop filter that can also be easily removed. You can slide it out if you don't want to use it. And just slide it back in. And a USB-C to USB cable. A few things about this mic that I really like. The microphone itself is really light. This part is actually really lightweight. I really like the fact that the tripod is a different material. I think it's metal, so it's slightly heavier. This way the mic is more stable. I really like the fact that it has the glowing light. Unfortunately, you cannot change it, so it just kind of does that glowing light automatically. Luckily, the combinations are pretty, so I like that. One of the main reasons that I was looking for a microphone is because my usual mic is really tall. So when I try to do a tutorial, it blocks me, so I can't really see my screen easily. With this one, the way how I tilt it, it gets up to about almost 9 inches. This way I can put it right in front of me and I can still easily see my laptop. My other mic, it gets like up here so I can barely see what's in front of me. And the sound quality is surprisingly good. It also does a great job blocking out the background noise, so I really like that. And the other thing that you might like about this microphone is if you tap the top, it's going to mute the mic. And you know it's off because the mic is off, so tap again. Now you hear me. So far, I really like this mic. I'll be using this mic frequently, so I'll be back later on to see how it performs down the road. Hope this review is helpful. Bye!